Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys my profits for my paper trading account. Again, I'm using the TD Amertirade Thinkorswim platform, and as you guys can see here, profit and loss for today is $101.10. Again, I've set my goal, my daily goal for $100, and all we're doing is practicing, or pretty much what all I am doing is practicing to make sure that the strategies that I have in place is actually working. Yeah, so let's get into it. Alright, so the ticker symbol we're trading today is Amazon. Again, you guys can see that Amazon had a really nice setup for today. It's amazing overall, 2.63% on the day. You know, one could say, yeah, sure, you can get in the morning and then get out in the evening, but that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to ensure that whatever strategy you put in place for yourself, you can actually trade on a daily basis, whether it's a red market or a green market. So yeah, so we're trading Amazon, and again, this is my paper trading account, and this is with TD Amertirade, the Thinkorswim platform. So in the morning time, we see that we have this huge volume spike coming in here, pushing up almost about 1.78% or $40 or so. So I decided, let's not get into that. Let's actually test out, can we still make money after the fact that this morning volume spike actually took place. So I let that ride, and pretty much I waited until it bounced off this EMA here, and then I was able to still get in and get out. Now today I actually took more than 3 trades. You can tell here I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 8 trades or so, 8, 9 trades. Let's just go to the monitors to check that out. 9 trades. So yeah, I took 9 trades today. So again, we got in, got out. Goes down here as soon as it was about to go below the EMA, made sure it pops up first, got in, got out. Same thing. Again, I'm scalp trading, so I just wanted to test it out, see if I can hit my daily goal of $100, and then that's it. Again, this can be applied to any ticker symbol, any stock that you're trading. So the goal for paper trading again is to test out your strategies and then implement it on your live account. Yeah, so I mean, I hope you guys kind of learn something from this video. Just make sure that you're trading up, you know, within the trend, so you guys can see the trend is actually going upwards. And let me know how you guys have been doing in the past you know, in the past few months or days. Just let me know in the comment section down below. So you know, I'm just trying to keep the consistency going, seeing if I can build this account up and just implement it on my live account. Yeah, so that's my my video for today. Hope you guys enjoy. If you like it, you know, smash that like button, the subscribe button. You guys know what to do, man. You know what to do. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.